important about the library, notice board, anything you feel that in the website you want to add on top, you can add it in the static page. This is called a static page. A static page. Now I'm deleting this because if the users are using, I don't want to misguide them. But this will let it be, I feel, because this is about the library only I've given. You want to edit this because about the library, I want to make it as about us. You can make any changes about us. Save. Like this, we have also given article request form, feedback form. You want to add them, you can add them also. Article request form. We have already given these forms. You want to save, you can save. You want to delete, you can delete it also. Article request form also I've added. You want to add feedback form. You want to add feedback form. Or we normally say this, ask a librarian. Save. Now I have added about us, article request form, ask a librarian. Now you want to see the portal, how it is reflecting. This is how it will reflect. About us, article request form, ask a librarian. You want to any day delete, you can delete it also. Now I'm going back. Now I'm going to the portal. Now static page is clear. Home page is clear. Static page is clear. What is the static page we saw now? Now I'm going to section and IR. Very, 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 very important. Very important. Section and an IR are nothing but institutional repository. Now, College of Engineering Trivandrum has added their opaque link here. The same way, if you want to add question papers, theses, dissertation, you see this college. This college is also an engineering college from Madurai. You can see they have added a folder like this called question papers, TCE questions paper. 9,000 question papers they have added. You can also add them. How to add them is what I'm going to talk about. How to add them. Now, the moment you open section on IR, you will get to see section 1, 2, 3, 4. Imagine them as folders. These are all folders. Section 1 is a folder. Section 2 is a folder. Section 3 is a folder. You have other folder also. Add more. There are more folders you can add. Now already there are 12 folders we have given. I'll open one of the folders. Now in this folder, I'm going to add. Now what is the folders? I'm going to add one. I'm going to create a folder like this. You can see here, they have added so many folders. This college has created folders like this. Shodh Ganga one folder, TCE question papers one folder, membership form one folder, courses one folder, ebooks one folder. They have made one folder. The same way we are also going to make folders. Let me create one folder. Activate. I'm going to name this folder as CET, that is College of Engineering Trivandrum, question papers. Question papers of all the first year for all the students. It can be anything. I'm just an example, but if you don't have question papers, you have faculty publication. You can see CET faculty publication. All the publications of our professors and faculty. You can do some description you can write, but this is not mandatory. But description, if you have Irunda, you can add it. If you don't have, please ignore this. Now, what is this? This is some source. This you can clear. Whatever you feel that is right, you can click. What type of so I'm clicking source. If you have an image, add an image. If you don't have an image, please leave it. The system will accept an image. System automatically. These images you are seeing here, they have added this image. Question paper, one small image from Google, they might have downloaded, added. These kind of things they have added. If you don't have, don't worry, it will pick an automatic image. Now I'll give save. Now what I have done is, I have activated one of the folders. Section number 2, it was saying, I have activated that folder. In that folder, I have named the folder. The folder name is CET question paper, and all those details I've added. Randomly, example I've added here. Now, the second step for the folder is adding content into the folder. First step is to create the name of the folder. Step 2, add content to the folder. Content. So click, you can see this tab here. Look and feel. Just name, the image of the folder, blah, 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 we have given. Now the second step is adding content into the folder. Now, as a librarian, as an admin, you will know the folder name is question paper. Now, what is a question? Question papers are on in which format? The question papers are documents. They are actually PDFs. You might be having Word. In this college, they have added all Word document. But if you want to add PDF or any document, it's normally question papers are documents. So you have to click upload a document. Now, what if there's a question I want to give it to the participants? What if I have created a folder called Inflibnet Useful Links? If I have created a folder called Inflibnet Useful Link, then I can click Web Suggestion where we can add that also I'll show. Now it is a document format. Even for question papers, if you feel, sir, I already have online DSpace, or I already have in my website, online website, we have added the question paper. What shall we do? You can click here and add the link. CET, if they have question papers added here, for example, facilities, if you have any question paper, you have here. Sir, sir, do you have question paper, sir? Question paper in website you have added?
No,
sir?
no, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
No, you don't have the question paper added here. Okay, no problem, no problem. But if you have as a document, let me add the document and show it to you. Title, ECE SEM 1 question paper. I'm going to add year maybe. This is 2021. Category, okay. This is all we whatever data you have. Semester 2 course ECE. I've given ECE. Any other you have, you can add the department also. If you have any department of engineering, because if you have polytechnic and engineering departments also, so engineering ECE again I'll keep, and I can choose a file. Let me choose a PDF file. Save. Now I have added a content into the folder. How? Because now I have a PDF, one question paper. Like this, you can add multiple question papers to the document. Now let me show you how it is. This you can ignore. This is you can ignore because this is for restricting the users to a specific group. For example, if you're adding question papers for first years, you'll give only to first year, but we don't have any group. So this we will keep it. Let me concentrate only on these two: creating a folder, adding content into the folder. Now I have added a document. Let me go here to the portal. In the portal, I can see now, apart from OPAC, CET question paper. Click all the metadata which I gave, it has become filters. ECE SEM 1 2021 to ECE, department is ECE, course is ETE, ECE. You want to read, click onto it, the document will download and you can read the document. I'm closing this. I'm going back to the dashboard. This is how it will be. You want to add a document. Now, the same way you want to add a link, I'm going to section NIR. I'm going to activate one more folder. This folder is called Inflibnet Useful Links. All the links by Inflibnet and MHRD initiative. This is also source. I can add the source. If you have an image, add an image. If you don't have an image, let's not worry about it. Save. Now what I have done the same way, I've created the name of the folder. I'm going to add content to the folder, web suggestion, because Inflibnet useful links are links. They are not documents. If you are documents, go here. If it is links, you can come here. I have said Inflibnet useful link. Inflibnet useful link is there are so many links. Swayam, Shodhganga, EPG Patshala, NDL, NPTEL. There are a lot of things. Shodh Sindhu. A lot of links are available. So you can do here. Swayam. This is an individual link. So I'm creating multiple link. It says multiple link. Please use comma for multiple